This is tutorial number 105, and it covers how to use the Move Sketch feature within SOLIDWORKS. Now I'll start off, let's open up a new part file. So let's click File, click New, click Part, click OK. So in this tutorial we're going to be covering how to move a sketch within SOLIDWORKS. So to start off, let's just sketch out a sketch. So click Sketch, click the front plane, click Line, and just freehand a unique sketch of your own. Click OK, and you've closed it up and you have your sketch. Now let's say that you want to move this line straight up, so let's click Tools, click Sketch Tools, click Move, select which line you want to move. So say it's just this one, we want to move it straight up, click it, and then click the start point and just say that's it there, and you're able to move it up, play around, throw it wherever you want. Click there and you moved your sketch up there. Now go back, so click Control Z. Now let's say that we want to move the whole sketch around, so click Tools, Sketch Tools, Move, and your entities to move, you have a list here, so every single one that you click, it adds to the list. So click the whole one until you have the whole thing. Click the start point, click any point around here, it doesn't really matter. And then you're able to move it around. So say we want to throw it over here, you throw it over there. Now let's say that you want to move it in relation to a certain position. So say it's in this position and you want to translate it 10 millimeters. So click Tools, click Sketch Tools, click Move. Now click all the points. Now click XY, and let's put in 10, and you can see that it's moved 10 in the X direction. Say we want to do 10 in the Y, click 10, now let's move 10 in the Y. Click OK, and now you've just translated your sketch 10 millimeters in the X and the Y. Now let's do this once again and go to Move. Now if you're in the X and Y like this, a application that you would probably use this for is, say that you already have a solid in the background and you're kind of making a sketch of the surface of that solid, or just certain geometry from it, and then say that you actually wanted to translate it around. You can just highlight. If it's unique like this, it'd be hard to manually use like the smart dimension and position everything and move it around. So if you have the move and you clicked all of these, you're able to move it around 50 and negative 30, and you're able to move that sketch around a lot easier than if you were using the smart dimension and trying to dimension everything and move it around. So the move feature, it's an easy way of moving a whole sketch. Or if we delete these lines here, a portion of the sketch. If you use the From To, you're able to pick a point and manually move it around with your hand. If you do the XY, you're able to do it precisely to a certain dimension that you want. And that concludes our tutorial on how to use the Move Sketch feature within SOLIDWORKS.